Introduction to nouns. After completing this lesson, you will be able to learn and use the term noun to refer to naming words. Classify a noun as the name of a person, place, animal, or thing. Identify nouns in a given sentences.
I have finished all my assignments and now it's time to play. Hey Naren, come, let's go out and play. Hey Naren, didn't you hear me? Naren, are you keeping your head in the clouds?
Selva, guess what? Yesterday, I went to the beach. And I was thinking about the things that I saw at the beach.
Oh, that's great. Can you tell me few things that you saw at the beach?
Oh yes, with pleasure. I saw a dog, lighthouse, a ball, and our friend Money.
Hey, the things that you mentioned are called nouns.
What? No, Silva, you are wrong.
Huh?
Those are name of things I saw. They are naming words.
Oh, Naren. In grammar, these naming words are known as nouns.
Huh?
But, Naren, all your nouns are mixed up. Let's put each of them in correct groups. Noun is a term given to a naming word that indicates a person, place, animal, or thing. Naren mentioned the words dog, lighthouse, ball, and money. Dog is a name of an animal. Lighthouse is a name of a place. Ball is a name of a thing. And money is a name of a person. The name Naren is a noun too.
Hey, my name is a noun too. Nouns are all around us. Let's see if we can find some more.
That's an awesome idea. The words man, woman, boy, and girl are some nouns that name person. The words like ball, shell, tube, tree, water are some nouns that name things. The words seagull, fish, starfish, crab are nouns that name animal or bird. Hey Naren, can you think of some more nouns for places?
Bus stop, backyard at my house, beach, restaurant.
Very good, Naren. If I say Naren wants fried chicken leg piece from the restaurant, what are the nouns used in this sentence?
Silva, for me, this question is just a piece of cake. The nouns are Naren,
fried chicken leg piece, and the final one is restaurant. The fried chicken leg piece makes me crave for it. Silva, you are absolutely right. Moreover, it's lunchtime. Come, let's go to the restaurant. Oh, with pleasure. We have found a lot of nouns here.
Let's place them under person, place, animal, and thing.
The words man, woman, boy, and girl are some nouns for people. Beach, school, bus stop, and house are some nouns for places. Fish, crab, dog, and starfish are some nouns for animals. Seagull, crow, sparrow, and duck are some nouns for birds. Ball, tube, tree, and ship are some nouns for things. I am sure Naren had a good time learning about nouns today.
Yes, my dear friend, you are right. Thank you so much for helping me in learning the nouns. I will never mess up with them again.
Oh Naren, don't mention it. Now, you won't mind going out and play, isn't it?
Well said, Silva. Come, let's go and play.